Welcome to our channel. In this informative video, we will show you how to repost a highlight on Instagram story. In this video, we will provide you a short tricks for a highlight to share as a story. So without wasting a time, let's go toward the video. First, you have to click on the profile, then click on the new, which is the highlight portion. So once you click on the new, you see all of the posts you uploaded. From this post, we create a highlighter. So we select that one and add a caption is new highlighter, new highlight. So click on the done. They ask for a reel to try it. So first we checked it as a highlighter. Our target is how to repost as a story. So there is a no proper option for that. So to share as a story, let's we check in the direct message. Have the option for a story. So first we create it as a reel by clicking create. It auto pick the highlighter. So click on the next to share it as a reel, then click on the next. So add a caption here. So we add a caption that subscribe to my channel and like the video and like the video. This is the message for you to like our video. Share, click on the share option. So this reel is reposting on your story. To check it, go to your profile. Once this reel is reposted, we will create a story from that. So it is reposted, click on this. So to share it is a story, click on the paper aeroplane option. You see the option add reels to your story. By clicking it, you see the option and move to the next page. You see the option your story, click on it. By clicking it, that this post will be this reel will be reposted to your story. So to check it, click on the profile. You see that the reel is reposting to your story. Actually this is a highlight we created, so it is take a time. I think it is reposted. So this is the highlighter which is reposted as a story. Thanks for watching.